Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a soft glam tutorial. So the first color I'm starting off with is Ginger from the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just taking that on a small little blending brush. I believe the brush is by Morphe. It's the M514 brush. I'm just going into like the upper part of my eyelid, well, not eyelid, but like the part that's, more so towards my brow. And then I'm going in with the color Credit with the crease brush. I believe this brush is the, let me see, it's the M330 brush, and I'm just going into my crease just to, create some depth. And I'm going to be going into that color multiple times just to deepen up everything. And I'm going to bring that color up to my brow bone as well, just to, create a depth effect, especially when I'm going to be doing my contour and stuff. So, yeah.
You'll always be my baby. Ask me what we doing. Yeah, you know that drive me crazy. I wanna ride the top way down.
So now I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop concealer. This is the concealer that I use to prime my lids. By the way, I forgot to say that in the beginning, but I'm going to be taking like a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to be blending it out. Just doing like a faux cut crease because we want to keep this soft, not as harsh. So yeah, I'm going to blend it out just using, little strokes or whatever, one stroke at a time. And yeah, as you can see, we're going in with a light hand with this whole entire look. And now I'm taking the white shade from the Rivera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the most, whitest shade I've ever, used. I feel like the white in the James Charles palette isn't as, pigmented as this one, so I just decided to go with this. And then I'm just going to keep patting that in, making sure that the color is, there. It's seizable. Is seizable a word? I think it is, but not in the, I use it in the wrong context. Anyway, so now I'm going to create a little wing with the dark brown from the Modern Renaissance palette, which is, I think it's Cypress, the shade. And then I'm going to be going in with a darker, like a black shade, just to deepen up the little wing. And then I'm going to go back in with a black eyeliner. I'm not going to create like a big, huge wing liner. I'm just going to, lightly go over the one that I'm creating and just slightly line my lid as well. So I'm going to be going into the Tarteist liner by Tarte and just lining my shit up. And then I'm going to take the Velour lash glue, pop my lashes on. And then I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. And then just put that all over my face, all over my nose and everything. And then I'm going to be taking the Instabake foundation from Beauty Bakery in the color 315W. And I'm going to be mixing that with, well, not even mixing it, I'm going to be taking the Lancome 530C foundation and just going into the parts where it's darker at, and then just patting it in with a brush from my Real Techniques collection. I feel like this is one that I got from, this is the one that I got from TJ Maxx. I don't think it came in a set, but it was just like a highlighter brush. I don't really like to use this as a highlighter brush because I feel like it's too dense. So I'm just going to use it for foundation today. And I also like the way that it came out too. So probably continue to use this brush for that. But yeah, I'm going to just pat everything in, make sure everything is blended. And then I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery concealer in Sugar Daddy. And I'm going to be brightening up my areas under my eye and under my nose and my lips and everything. So y'all, so to blend out the concealer, I'm using a Real Techniques setting powder brush. I really like this brush to cut, oh my god, I cannot get it together today, but I really like to use this brush for blending out my concealer because it does it flawlessly. It just, you can swipe with it and it doesn't leave any like, harsh marks or anything. and like I use a patting motion just to make sure everything is blended out on the outer, you know, parts of the concealer. And then I'm going in with the Morphe concealer brush just to go into the inner corner, like under my eye and, you know, towards my nose, and the places that I really can't get in with that Real Techniques brush. Oh my gosh. But also, I'm probably going to, I don't know, because with this video I tried to record as much as I could, but the storage on my phone was just not trying to work with me. So yeah, I didn't record the powder part, but right now I'm just contouring with the Flesh Beauty foundation stick in the color Hot Chocolate, and then I'm going to line it up to my jawline with the ColourPop concealer and just cut, you know, that little contour cheek, you know, situation going on. But for powder, I use the Too Faced translucent powder, translucent medium, my bad. Yeah, I really fuck with this powder because it's bomb as fuck. But yeah, when I put the powder on, I set it in with the damp beauty blender. I haven't done that in a while, and I forgot how powerful it is. Like, it was crazy. But and then I go over it with my foundation brush just to make sure everything doesn't look, you know, too cakey. Y'all gonna see. Boom. So now we are here where you obviously can see that, you know, it didn't record. But I added blush from MAC, the Lovejoy blush, and then now I'm going in with this eyeliner from Stila. It is in the color Pink Moscato. Ooh, yes. I love me some Pink Moscato, girl. But anyway, and now I'm taking that bronzer from Fenty Beauty that I use to contour my cheeks and my forehead, and I'm just going under that that eyeliner, and then I'm going to be going in with some mascara, just go over my eyelashes and whatnot. And I'm trying to figure out what else did I miss on here. That was about it. I'm just going back into the eyeshadow, making sure that it comes down a little bit more. But yeah, the soft glam trend, that's what I meant, I'm sorry. That's been a thing like now, but I guess, you know, all the pro MUAs are like looking at people like, why is this a trend? Like, this is a thing. It's already been a thing, you know? But whatever. Now I'm going into this brown liner by NYX, and I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to be taking a lipstick by MAC Cosmetics called Naturally Transformed, and I'm going to be going in and, you know, yeah. Finish off, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss and Cinnamon Roll, and then ColourPop's Fantasia, what's it called? Lip gloss. And then I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe Setting Mist.
I love it. Baby, what is it?